continue watching and subscribing on our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.
Is this a lion? Yes. You can draw more than me. I cannot even draw a lion. Precious.
Success!
Yes.
Have you finished what you are doing?
Yes.
Okay. Have you washed the plates?
Ask Chidendu.
Chidendu, have you washed the plates?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go eat inside and rest. Have you laundered my clothes?
Which of your clothes? Did you ask me to iron any clothes for you? I just ironed my clothes and left your own. You don't ask me to iron any clothes for you.
You mean I didn't give you any clothes to laundry for me? Ha!
You just kept that place. You don't give me any clothes to iron for you.
Oh, you're asking me. You are asking me. Success, you are asking me.
Yes, I'm asking you because you don't give me any clothes to iron for you.
By the time I go inside the house and comment back, you go and laundry my clothes. If not, just wait for me. I'm coming.
All I know is that you don't give me any clothes to laundry to iron for you. Oh. Hey, you don't give me any clothes to iron for you. Oh.
Success!
Yes.
So it's no laundry my closet.
But you don't ask me to iron any clothes for you. You don't ask me to iron any clothes for you. Ask Chedendo.
And now neighbors have taken the light. Don't worry. When I finish cooking this food and you come to eat it, I will kill you today. That is why I just leave it to you both here to go and fetch it firewood. And you did not even laundry my closet.
You did not ask me to iron any clothes for you. I just ironed the clothes that I'm going to wear and go to lesson tomorrow.
Okay. No food for a lesus because I am lesus. Nonsense.
All I know, I'm not a lesus, so I'm not a lesus, so lesus is a car. Lesus 330 is a car. Stop calling me a lesus, so hey. Children, let's go. Hello friends, thank you for watching all our videos. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, Nolly Rainbow Kids, and we'll promise to give you more videos. Share with your friends and also give us a good comment. Also give us a like. Give us a courage for us to give you more videos. Thank you. Bye.